Hi, my name is Diana Manginelli, and I'm going to walk you through the Young Living Thieves Starter Kit. This starter kit is really going to help you eliminate a lot of toxins and chemicals in your household, and you're going to be able to switch those out with a lot safer and more natural alternatives. So I'm first going to start out by explaining what is Thieves. So Thieves is an essential oil that has been around since the 15th century, and it is a blend of clove, eucalyptus, lemon, and cinnamon, and this blend has been used for centuries to keep immune system strong. So all the products we're going to be talking about is infused with our Thieves oil, and it's so important to have as many touch points with this oil throughout the day because that's really going to help keep you above that wellness line, especially with winter approaching and back to school and just really all year round. This is important. But this time of year is really when, you really want to be protecting your immune system. So I'm going to start with really why is this so important? So the National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health studied 3,000 ingredients in common household products. Of them, they found 900 toxic ingredients, 314 caused biological mutations, 218 caused reproductive problems, and 900 were toxic to the human body, and actually 150 were known to cause tumors. These ingredients are still allowed in our products in the US, even though they are banned in many different countries around the world. So it's really important to do our part, and we are the gatekeepers of our home, and we say what is allowed to come in our home and what we don't want. So it's really important to get our education on and really learn about all of this stuff. So it actually takes 26 seconds for a chemical to be absorbed and found into your bloodstream. Same thing goes for essential oils, so we want to make sure that we're reaching and grabbing the right stuff. So what I'm going to go over is all the products that is in our Young Living Starter Kit, which is our Thieves Starter Kit. And for me, this starter kit was really a game changer because it was the very things that I had no idea were causing harm to my body and my family's body. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the Thieves Cleaner. This is an all-natural plant-based cleaner. Super, super safe. Safe to ingest. If it does get ingested by a pet or any kids, mopping your floors, it's so, so, so safe. So this bottle is actually $22 wholesale. It's going to come bundled in the kit, but this is a concentrate. So this bottle makes 25 large spray bottles. So you're going to take one capful of this, pour it into a large spray bottle, mix it with water, and that's going to be your cleaner for every single surface, from floors, granite, every kind of countertop, oven tops, glass, mirrors. I like putting a capful of this in a bucket, and that's when I mop my floors. So literally this replaced every single cleaner in my home, and the cool part about this is I'm actually boosting my immunity while cleaning, which is very different when we're thinking about cleaning with our traditional cleaning products. We think clean and then don't go near it because it's toxic. This is the opposite, and I highly recommend doing some education on this versus the cleaner you are currently using. All plant-based and really, really safe, and it smells absolutely beautiful. The next product I'm going to talk about that comes in the kit is the Aroma Bright toothpaste. So this toothpaste is, again, all plant-based. There is no fluoride and no peroxides. So this was a very big transition that I felt was so important in my health and wellness journey, because actually if you turn over your traditional toothpaste, you're going to read a warning label on that says if you ingest more than recommended amount, call poison control. So that is something we are putting in our mouths twice a day, 3 times a day, however often you are brushing your teeth, you are using that. So all of those times are going to really build up, and it's really harmful to our health, to our kids. So this was a great alternative, all plant-based, obviously made with that Thieves essential oil, which is really important when talking about the getting your immune system high. So this was a very big part of my health and wellness journey. So Thieves. And then the next product we're going to talk about is mouthwash. Again, these are products we're putting in our mouth. If you take a look at your bright blue and bright green mouthwash, you're going to see tons and tons of chemicals that are very dangerous to our health. Again, we're using that stuff every day. It's just, there's safer alternatives out there. This is immune boosting, all plant-based. It's very concentrated, so you could actually mix this with water and break it down to even make it 2 separate bottles with just that one bottle. The next product I'm going to talk about that I love is the Thieves hand sanitizer, the hand purifier. So this, if you go, again, same thing goes. If you're going to turn your products over that you're using now, a lot of the stuff is getting into our systems. We're putting it on our kids' hands. I love this. It does not dry our hands. We're keeping our immune system high. Again, all plant-based, immune boosting. So it's actually keeping the good bacteria and also getting rid of the bad bacteria. So it's kind of a double whammy here. I keep this on my keychain, in my purse, in my car, everywhere. So the kit actually comes with 2 of these. Okay. And then we're going to talk about the foaming hand soaps. So I was a sucker for all of those scented hand soaps. Little did I know, all over the back was fragrance and tons of chemicals I could not read. So the beauty of Young Living, we're offering our, it's gone through the seed to seal process, which is our very extensive process that each of our products go through. So we know exactly what is in all of our products, and it's going to be infused with our Thieves. So as you're washing your hands, again, you're getting that extra touch point with Thieves, immune boosting, and it's a foaming hand soap. Whenever I have people come visit, they're always asking me where I got this. It smells unbelievable. I like to say it kind of smells like October in a bottle. It has that cinnamony, just fresh scent. So Thieves hand soap, you're going to get 2 of these in your starter kit. Moving on to our Thieves spray, our mini spray. This is kind of like a sanitizer spray. So I like taking this when I am going grocery shopping. I spray down I'm spraying down the grocery handlebar, my steering wheel, my cell phone, toilet seats. This is kind of on-the-go version of this, blended with the sanitizer. Love it. Again, totally safe if your kids get their hands on it, whatever it may be. So must have in the wellness realm when being out and about with all the icky germs out there. Okay, so the next thing that comes in the kit is, as I mentioned before, you're going to get your Stress Away. So Stress Away, I love Stress Away because it does exactly what it says, right? So I love using this as perfume. I take a drop, I put it on the backs of my ears. Whenever I have this on, everyone's always asking me what perfume I have on. I actually love using this as an air freshener as well. You can mix this with a little bit of water in a spray bottle, put it in your bathrooms, put it, make a pillow spray, or just simply putting a drop on the palms of your hands and tenting and just being, something to just kind of calm and ground you in that moment. And then you're going to get 2 roller balls, which you're going to pop on each of the, you're going to either put it on your Thieves essential oil or your Stress Away, and you're going to get both of these in the kit. And I like putting it on my Thieves oil because I could roll it right on the bottoms of my feet, or putting it on my Stress Away because I could just roll it right on like a perfume. And then you're going to get your Ninja Red. This is a whole body wellness drink. I use this for so many different areas. This is my antioxidant drink. So again, immunity supporting. This is great for hair, nails, skin, everything in between. Highly recommend doing your research on Ningxia, but they give you 2 packets of this. It's recommended 1 to 2 ounces a day. So this is just one of those products that Young Living offers that we just can't live without. So that was the starter kit, and the starter kit altogether, I'm going to recap. You're going to get 2 bottles of the Thieves cleaner. You're going to get 2 hand soaps, 2 hand sanitizers, a bottle of toothpaste, a mouthwash. You're going to get a Thieves spray, a hand sanitizer spray. You're going to get a Thieves 15 ml essential oil and a Stress Away 5 ml. So there's about 100 drops in this bottle, about 300 drops in this bottle of oil. You're going to get your 2 roller balls, your 2 packets of Ningxia Red, and then you're going to also get a product guide, which is going to show you everything Young Living has to offer. So the starter kit, the Thieves starter kit, is $160, and once you get your starter kit, think of it as almost like a Costco card. That is your entry fee to walk through Young Living doors and to purchase everything Young Living has to offer, 24% off. So it's the beauty of getting into Young Living with a starter kit. So highly recommend that. And then you can actually, we do have something called Essential Rewards, which whoever sent you this video, please ask them to share more details on the Essential Rewards, because that's really how you're going to start getting your products for free. That's really how you're going to be getting some freebies, points back, all of that. And when you're really using this as a lifestyle and you're buying things through Young Living that are safer instead of going to Target or ShopRite, it really makes the most sense. So I highly, like I said, recommend the Thieves starter kit if you're looking to ditch those toxins, switch them out for a chemical-free alternative. So I hope you guys learned something and have a nice day.